11.5 miles per gallon. That's what I got in my last video when I was riding around with that Lamborghini. I guess that's about what I expect. I mean, E85 burns really fast, and this car makes 500 horsepower, so I'm not gonna get good gas mileage, especially the way I was driving it. So, not the worst thing. Anyways, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, we are going for a cruise. I don't have anything going on. It's a beautiful morning. It's been literally just gross for the last week here. It's been hot, humid, rainy, stormy, everything, just terrible weather. Finally, it's nice out. It's mid-70s. It's just gorgeous outside. So we're taking the car for a cruise. Being that I don't have really a whole lot going on, I'm gonna try to do a little bit of a cinematic type of video for you guys. So if you end up liking it, make sure you hit the like button and show me that you like it, because this is something that I haven't really done before, and it'll be kind of interesting, and I get to go for a cruise out of it as well, so makes us both happy. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what you think. So now that I've taken about 1 million pictures, it's time to talk about the car. I haven't really talked about the new clutch that I put in yet, but that is, I mean, awesome. It's firm, it's aggressive in the way that it grabs, and it seems to hold the power perfectly. I haven't had any real issues yet that I've run into, and at this point we've got probably 800, 900 miles on the car, on the new clutch, so it's fully broken in, and I haven't had I haven't had to touch it at all. All I've done is change the oil. That's probably the longest this car has run without having something go wrong. I'd knock on wood if I could, but obviously it's just cement everywhere I am. This is one of my favorite spots. I love coming here to take pictures. I'm sure that you guys have seen the photos from this spot before. Really couldn't ask for any better of a day to be out cruising around in the car. Another thing that I don't think I've really talked about is the coolant temp sensor issue that I was having. So now that I have redone those wires, everything is perfect. The AFRs seem to be pretty much spot on. Future plans. I haven't really talked about future plans much lately in the last few videos. I've kind of just been enjoying the car. But we are going to get this thing on the track. That is going to happen this summer. I need to get the battery relocation taken care of, so what I'm going to end up doing is just deleting that whole thing and moving the battery back into the engine bay, and we're going to have a small battery and have it just the way it really should have been done from the beginning. I didn't hook up the battery relocation in the car. It was like that when I got it, so time to fix that. Besides that, we have a video coming up with Racing Ram Fam too. We're going to be racing his turbo SRT Ram after it hits the dyno. So be on the lookout for that. That will be really fun. I love racing people in this car. But anyways, I have a few things to do today. I've spent the last few hours just kind of driving around, setting up shots. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I'm guessing it probably won't be very long for the amount of time it took to produce. Hopefully it's worth it. You guys will let me know in the comments and on the like button, so make sure you hit that. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please consider doing so. I enjoy having you guys come back to watch more videos because it makes it worth it for me to be putting in all this work for editing and just filming in general. Thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.